Hello everyone, and in this video I show you to remove SOS only on iPhone. It's essential to know what to do if you find yourself in a situation where you need to turn off the SOS feature. But first, please subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, let's explore the various methods to achieve this. First and foremost, if you see the SOS alert on your iPhone, head to your settings. Within the settings, activate the airplane mode. Subsequently, turn off the airplane mode. Another practical approach involves toggling your Wi-Fi or data connection. By turning them on and off, you can swiftly eliminate the SOS alert from your device. This method provides an additional option for users who may prefer adjusting their connectivity settings. Now, let's consider a different tactic. To deactivate SOS, power off your phone forcefully. Achieve this by pressing the volume buttons both up and down, followed by pressing the power button. This forceful shutdown proves effective in removing the SOS indication from your iPhone. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.